time now 6:47. Let's go ahead and check in with Wade 31 meteorologist Carson Meredith. I'm not sure if it's the air conditioning or if it's a little bit of rain that I'm hearing. I don't know, but I know that we need to keep those umbrellas a little handy today.
Yeah, we do, Alex, for the next couple of hours at least, but we won't need the umbrellas all day. That's the view of the Wade 31 SkyCam network on this Black Friday morning. Huntsville, we just had that last bit of light rain move through. Still overcast though. Same story for the Shoals, Decatur as well. But you see where the rain is right now. It's over Lake Guntersville, and it'll start to move into the rest of Sand Mountain over the next hour or so. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s for the time being. We'll be in the mid 60s though before all is said and done today. Plenty of clouds though. They're going to be staying with us all day, and those high temperatures still pretty mild though despite all those clouds sticking around. Let's talk about your travel forecast for the next couple of days. Obviously still that mist and drizzle moving into northeast Alabama as we speak, but we'll dry things out nicely this afternoon. The roads will dry out for the most part too. Clouds stay with us this evening. They'll stay with us tonight. Saturday, a mixed bag. It's a dry start to the day tomorrow morning in particular, but those spotty showers move back in during the afternoon, and we have that chance for that more widespread rain to move in tomorrow evening. And some of that rain tomorrow evening may be a bit on the heavy side. Let's go through future radar. 9 a.m. you see some of those showers slowly moving out of northeast Alabama over the next 2 hours. We'll stay dry through the rest of your Friday afternoon. A good bit of cloud cover though. This particular forecast model suggests we may get a few breaks in those clouds. I'm not expecting that. We'll see a good bit of cloud cover, not a whole lot of sun today. Clouds stay with us overnight tonight. When you wake up Saturday morning, our temperatures are in the mid 40s, so a much cooler start to the day tomorrow. First half of your Saturday's dry, but look what happens around 2 o'clock. Here comes some of the first showers ahead of our next weather maker, and then that widespread that is rain moves in by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Could have some heavier downpours, perhaps a couple rumbles of thunder, but we are not expecting anything severe tomorrow night. Nonetheless, it's going to be a messy Saturday night with several rounds of that potentially heavy rain before we finally dry things out Sunday morning. What does this mean for the Iron Bowl? Weather is going to be a factor. For the first half of the game, we'll just have a few showers around, not a total washout, but as we go through the game tomorrow evening, the rain chances go up. I do expect to see that more widespread rain move in close to the end of the game. It just depends on how long the game goes tomorrow night. But if you're heading down to Tuscaloosa, take it slow coming back home. We could have some of those heavier downpours across central Alabama as well. Your rainfall forecast as we go through this weekend, on top of the rain we've already seen so far last night and this morning, we'll pick up an additional ½ inch to maybe 1 inch of rain. We'll have to keep a close eye on the potential for ponding on the roadways late tomorrow night and early Sunday. We'll dry things out on Sunday, and those temperatures stay pretty mild through early next week. Our average high is 60. We'll be just a bit above that in the low to mid 60s for the next 5 days and the next 7 days too. We're also keeping a close eye on another system Tuesday and Wednesday that could bring a few stronger storms. Too early for specifics, but just something to keep in the back of your mind for early next week.